Singapore, from tiny city-state to global powerhouse. How does a tiny city-state, home to just 5.8 million people, surrounded by powerful neighbors, become one of the wealthiest and most stable nations in the world? Singapore isn't just a success story. It's a masterclass in resilience, strategy, and innovation. The rise of this island nation is a tale of turning challenges into opportunities and creating a legacy of stability and prosperity. A strategic beginning. Located at the southern tip of the Malaysian peninsula, Singapore sits at one of the most critical trade choke points in the world, with over $750 billion worth of goods flowing through its waters every year. Yet geography alone didn't guarantee its success. Singapore's position meant it was surrounded by regional giants: oil-rich Malaysia to the north, sprawling Indonesia to the south, and the economic powerhouse of China further afield. How did Singapore manage to thrive amid such powerful neighbors? The story begins in 1819 when the British established Singapore as a trading colony. Its location was ideal for connecting Europe with the Far East. However, other countries like Thailand and Indonesia also enjoyed strategic locations, but did not achieve the same level of success. The secret to Singapore's transformation lay in its governance and vision. When Singapore gained independence from Malaysia in 1965, the odds were stacked against it. The fledgling nation lacked natural resources, was largely unindustrialized, and faced significant poverty. Its future was far from assured. The leadership of Lee Kuan Yew. Central to Singapore's rise was the leadership of Lee Kuan Yew, the nation's first prime minister. A British-educated member of the Singaporean Chinese community, Lee's governance style is often described as enlightened despotism, firm but focused on ensuring rights and opportunities for his citizens. Lee's vision was both bold and pragmatic. He opened Singapore's economy to globalization, actively courting foreign investment, and made significant investments in public housing and education. These efforts not only uplifted Singaporeans, but also made the country an attractive destination for international businesses. Building strong institutions. At the heart of Singapore's success are its strong institutions. The government established and upheld the rule of law, ensuring stability and consistency in governance. Investors felt confident in Singapore's predictable and transparent system, which allowed them to make long-term plans without fear of corruption or political instability. This stability proved to be a game changer. By the late 1970s, Singapore had become a manufacturing giant in Southeast Asia, known for its shipbuilding and electronics industries. At its peak, the nation was the largest producer of hard disk drives in the world. Adapting to change, from manufacturing to finance. By the 1990s, rising labor costs in Singapore made manufacturing less competitive. In response, the government pivoted to focus on financial services, offering tax incentives and creating a business-friendly regulatory environment. Singapore quickly became a global hub for banks, consultancy firms, and insurance providers. Today, Singapore consistently ranks as one of the easiest places in the world to do business. Its highly educated workforce, thanks to a robust education system, makes it an attractive destination for multinational corporations. A modern economic powerhouse, Singapore's adaptability didn't end with financial services. The country has invested heavily in fostering a tech-driven economy, pouring over $1 billion into startups. Its innovative policies and strategic planning have resulted in a GDP per capita of $57,713, making it one of the wealthiest nations globally. Yet Singapore's success comes with challenges. It is one of the most expensive places to own a car, with strict government quotas aimed at reducing traffic congestion and emissions. These measures, however, have incentivized the use of world-class public transportation, making Singapore a leader in sustainable urban mobility. Singapore's unique model. Some have likened Singapore to the Asian Switzerland, thanks to its policies promoting financial privacy. These measures, combined with a stable and business-friendly environment, have attracted significant capital inflows, cementing its position as a global financial hub. The secret to success. Singapore's story is one of resilience, adaptability, and visionary leadership. It turned geographic and demographic challenges into strengths, building a nation defined by strong institutions, a skilled workforce, and a commitment to innovation. In just a few decades, Singapore has gone from a struggling city-state to a beacon of stability and prosperity. Its success is a testament to the power of strategic planning and the importance of effective governance.